Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh, and hi, we are from group HG10, and our topics to the IDP projects is Smart Oxygen SpO2 and Temperature Detection System. So here's our group member, had been led by Muhammad Sharifuddin bin Sahani, and the others member is Muhammad Aiman bin Muhammad Mudassir, Muhammad Aiman bin Rashidi, Muhammad Aiman Haziq bin Mazlan, and Muhammad Aizat Shahmin bin Azman. So here's our introduction of Smart Oxygen and Temperature Detection System. And then for the problem statement is we have been seen for the general aspect is the most crucial is the human body is in blood oxygen level and temperature. So the numerous health problems are influenced by body temperature and blood oxygen. And to measure such a factor, a variety of instruments are available, but there are still several issues such as like high cost, size, accuracy, and more. And then to provide a solution for this issue, a strategy was developed to create a project that was affordable, measurable in scale. So the body temperature and blood oxygen was major factor for most illness occurring in the body. But if it was regularly monitored, it will be able to control it before it turned into a serious issue. After a pandemic, need to take care of the temperature, blood oxygen level. So this project will be useful to detect and monitor those parameters. So here's our objective. Firstly, to develop a user care system and it will be equitable. Second, to integrate a monitor system by being allowed by user to be checked by professional healthcare of physical condition. And lastly, to analyze the functional system measurement result on every user. So this is our scope of work. Firstly is to check people's oxygen, SpO2 and temperature. Next is keep result data in the application as a personal record. Next, create the simple layout data for the user and understandable for the doctor to refer to the patient's health record. And lastly, this project is designed to facilitate the user to check their oxygen and temperature, and the apps will save data for future use. So this is our methodology, and this is our block diagram. As we seen, we are using Arduino Uno. Then there's been every phase, which is sensing unit, alarm unit, section unit, display unit, and data conversion system. For the sense unit, we use the contactless temperature sensor and MAX30102 heart rate sensor. So for the flow chart of the process, firstly this is the process for the heart rate sensor, and the middle is the process for the temperature sensor, and lastly flowchart is for the both sensor and be connected from Wi-Fi module to the Blink application for our system. So this is a circuit diagram. As we seen, we had Arduino Uno, LED, MAX30102 heart rate sensor, LCD, and contactless temperature. So this is the hardware for and the components for our project. Then we can see our member are trying to do the hardware, and we trying to do a casing, and then we have been assumed that to do this project we need a cooperation for every member to success this IDP project. So after that we have been get the nice for hardware and for the software coding. So here's are the result. As you can see, the result is have been connected by the from Wi-Fi module to the IT. So when we press what we call it our MAX 30102 max heart rate sensor, and the contactless temperature, it will give the LCD will give the actual our body temperature and also our oxygen level. And as you can see, the blink system also can get the exactly amount from the hardware, from the LCD value. So the data will be kept in the blink app system. So I think that's all from us. Thank you.